Down in the insides of your skin, there's an army with weapons and bombs that terrorize invaders in your body. Today, we are going to learn about it. What is the immune system? You have two immune systems, the innate and the adaptive immune system. The innate immune system was ready when you were born. The adaptive immune system is like the universe's largest library of superweapons. So let's examine these two immune systems' importance and consequences. Evolution. You need your body for protection. That's why you need so many cells. 40 trillion. But first, we need to take a look at the evolution of humans. Humans developed from apes and chimpanzees. We separated and became the first hominins. But Homo sapiens were not the first kinds of humans. There were other humans like Homo erectus. We learned how to tame fire, which changed everything. We evolved exponentially after that. Soon we became experts on our environment, but all the other human tribes went extinct because they didn't evolve enough for certain weather conditions. Homo sapiens took some control over their planet. They had started agriculture and began empires. About 500 years ago, the world of science popped in, and it made us capable of many things. But something happened. Humans found a fungus that could kill bacteria. Back then, a cut could kill you because you didn't have antibiotics. Soon, humans used antibiotics for less and less serious reasons until we reach today. Macrophages. Imagine you got a cut on a twig. Slightly annoying, but your immune system, it's like life and death. Your cells produce cytokines, alarm signals that awaken your immune system. Macrophages are the first to show up to the battle. Macrophage means great eater. They are the biggest cells of your immune system. They are phagocytes. They eat bacteria. First, they use their long arms that stretch out to grab bacteria and shove into itself. Then, it puts the bacteria into a compartment with acids. Last, the acids rip the bacteria apart, and the macrophage makes food for the other cells to eat. A macrophage can eat up to 100 bacteria until it gets full. So it releases cytokines to activate the next line of defense, neutrophils. Neutrophils are like crazy suicide bombers. They do constructive damage to the invader, but also to your actual cells. Doing damage to your body is not their concern, now or ever. They are the second line of defense. Neutrophils usually live for a few days, so they don't actually kill your cells. Sometimes they can kill once they're dead. This is why neutrophils have so much fun killing. Inflammation. Inflammation is crucial for your immune system. It helps them know what the problem is and how to get rid of it. Inflammation is when an area of where an area has been infected swells up. This helps your immune system. Some parts of your body have an exception to inflammation, like the brain, parts of your eye, etc. The complement system. The complement system is a tiny army of proteins that immobilize and rip enemies apart. The complement system is one of the most ancient adaptations to fighting bacteria and viruses. The complement proteins have an active pose and a passive pose. The active pose is when the protein is active. The protein changes shape. The shape determines what things can interact with and how they interact with it. Imagine the first protein, C3, started a fire. It will catch everything on fire until it can reach on fire. This states that once C3 is in its active state, it makes a chain reaction that makes all the complement proteins active. I won't get into full detail, but to summarize, they immobilize and rip holes into bacteria. The dendritic cell. The dendritic cell is the last cell of your innate immune system. It is in charge of activating your adaptive immune system. The dendritic cell splits and swallows and spits and swallows the bacteria/virus that has invaded your body. What is it doing? It's examining the problem. The dendritic cell covers the bacteria, virus, and goes through your lymphatic system. Your lymphatic system is kind of like the superhighways of your body. It goes around touching T cells until one of the T cells recognizes the bacteria. This means that this T cell has the right weapon against this bacteria. T cells. When a T cell finally recognizes the bacteria, the dendritic cell orders it to multiply itself. Then they split into two groups. One goes to help with the battle, which is not going great. The other group will find the right B cell, which produces the right antibodies to win the battle. When the T cells arrive, the immune system is exhausted, so the helper T cells uses chemical alarm signals to awaken the macrophages. They know what they have to do. Kill. The helper T cell analyze the problem, and then they turn into killer T cells, so they kill. Meanwhile, the other group has finally found the right B cell. B cells. B cells are the second line of defense for your adaptive immune system. The B cell produce antibodies, which are like crab claws with a tail. They stun enemies that make the immune system able to fight off the bacteria that enter your body. When the T cells find the right B cells, they produce the right antibodies. When that happens, the T cell orders it to multiply itself. The antibodies stun the enemies. The tides are turning quick, and your immune cells scoop every bacteria remnant. If you want to know more about the immune system, read Immune, A Journey into the Mysterious System That Keeps You Alive. It gives you so much info about the immune system. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Until then, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!